resist arrest and fight it out. That is my order. And it will be until I leave the premises of this place. It will be that policy. I don't care about tomorrow. I can go to prison for my countrymen. Wala akong ano, I'm old. Just give me books. Makabasa man lang ako the whole day, before I know it, tapos na ako ng isang libro, tapos ng isang araw sa buhay ko. I'm old, and I know I won't last long. I am near my sunset days, or is it I am overdue? Pero for as long as this is what happened, talagang uncorruption of late, I don't have to remind you. I will not hesitate. Friends, closest friends,